On the stage with the house champion, Piranha Padre. And with this, let's get ready for the last performance. One exciting moment for last performance. The coming the way down from the senior student of last year. The final eight. Guess what? The winner was the pumpkin. So we have the best prize and first prize for the Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Nami. Thank you. And the last and the final act before the closing song is the Pakaka, the Kabila.